Hello, today we are going to solve Python environment for the specific code or for Django applications. HTML or Django HTML change. So we install the extension in the vscode, but does not work in the vscode like as I am going to show you right now. Is the vscode. In the vscode we want to change the environment like as the here Django environment. We select the environment that in the terminal open new command prompt, but it does not activate any environment when we change from the here Django environment. It's automatically update go to the environment that we want to create, like it activate the Django environment. Here the environment is activated. Second is the static files in portfolio.html, like as the here the extension we install. Extension install is the Django. So here the reload required. So the extension base.html file, all these files are color is changed. The file is plain text. We are going to change it to the HTML. After that HTML, we want to also change the color of it, that we like as we have to just write the load statics. So no extension, no preview. Install this. We like Django install for templating. For snippets we install Django. Django is installed right now, but Django doesn't work on this load. It also doesn't work. The main people says that you have to close the VS Code and again open, then your extension work, but at that time its extension is not working. So we have to change from the here to work with Django HTML. Then all these extension are work, like as we want to load static. It automatically loads, complete the auto completion of the code. Here is the we want to switch to HTML. Here we can switch any environment, any specific code. Like in same Python, we can create another environment and switch between them from the here. So we have to enable all these environments. This is the problem I showed you how we can solve that. The extension enable or install, but it does not work. By this we can it works. So thank you. That's all today from my side.